Hey everybody, it's me, Gregory Mannarino, back again for my post-market wrap-up on this lovely day, Thursday, July 26, 2018. I apologize for getting this video out a little late. I was just in computer hell, and I could not get this to work. I almost thought I wasn't going to be able to do a video, and I would have had to done something else. Anyway, here's the story, and I'm going to talk about the stock market. But did you see the dollar? The dollar was the real story today, and I think it got barely any coverage from the mainstream financial networks, at least not from CNBC or Bloomberg that I witnessed. The dollar vaulted higher today, got much stronger, and of course this hammered precious metals. Silver finished down about maybe 1.5% or around that. Gold also got hit. Cryptos caught a little bit of a bid. Some ended up positive regarding the major ones, some negatives. But I think overall they did catch a bid here. Now, stocks finished mixed. Dow Jones Industrial Average put on a triple-digit gain. The Russell 2000 finished in the positive. The NASDAQ and the S&P 500 finished in the negative. A lot of this was Facebook, which finished down about 18% today, got face planted hardcore. Now, the real question that I would love to hear from all of you about, we understand today, again, the dollar, big gain today, and bonds sold off pretty much all day. That U.S. 10-year yield, which you know how important this is to watch, 2.97. Now, again, we're going to get earnings from Amazon and Intel and a couple other companies. I didn't even check to see what's going on over there. For all I know, they're up or down or sideways. I have no idea. I just wanted to get this video out. So anyway, the story is pretty simple. And I don't even care what their earnings are. I mean, did you see Facebook? I mean, got face planted. The NASDAQ, I think, took the biggest hit here, but nothing monumental. S&P 500, I think, finished down fractionally. The Dow Jones Industrial Average finished up positive, okay? Earnings don't matter. Valuations don't matter. Forward guidance don't matter. It's all about the dollar and the bond market, more importantly. So here's the question. How many of you out here, and go do this, but make sure you put on a pair of sunglasses first. Go look at the bond market chart on my website. There's a link in this video, traderschoice.net. Right side of the page, under the chat room. Look at the sell-off today that we had in the bond market. The question is simple. Even if you've never looked at a chart before, I mean, you got to be blind not to see that. Do you believe, and I promise to read the comments, that they are going to allow bonds to continue to sell off here and the 10-year yield to break 3%? Or are they going to get in here and start propping up that bond market? Me? You know where I stand. I think they're going to buy up bonds with cash that they're going to print out of thin air so that'll hurt the dollar. This is what they've been doing now for the better part of a decade. This is what President Trump wants to keep going as well. Understand, he made it clear he does not want the Fed to do anything. He wants to leave rates where they are. Although, you know, and it bothers me a little bit. I was no fan of President Obama. You all know that. But President Trump was screaming from rooftops about how this rigging here of the market, he understands these markets, you know that, was just that, rigging. But under him, it's just okay. I personally don't like that. All I want to know, really, from all of you out here, go have a look at that lovely chart. It is really lovely. Put your sunglasses on and tell me or talk to each other, what do you think they're going to do? Do you think they're going to buy up those bonds tomorrow? I'm not talking about even a week. I'm talking about tomorrow. Are we getting a surge here, a rally in the bond market, which is going to push a rally in the stock market? Or are we going to get a sell-off in the bond market and a subsequent sell-off in the stock market? I mean, that's the real question. I would love to hear from you. I actually can't wait to read the comments. I love all you guys and girls. I really do. And, yep. See you in the morning.